Hi, in the previous lecture we've added the models of our property, and now we need to enhance this model with some more features. So first of all, let's open our site front end, and if we take a look, every property has an image, so we need to add this image to our models. So here, for our outline file, we need to add an image like this, and we need to apply this on our code. So make sure that you have your virtual environment activated, and let's run our server. And here, let's add the image for this property. So I'm going to say image equal to models.image field, and this image field will take upload to property or method from us. So we're going to say upload to equal, and we need to provide it with our folder. So we're going to say property, just like this. Okay, and then now just to add it, let's clear our screen. So let's run our server again. So we got an error. So let's check this error. Cannot use image field, this image field we've just added, because Blue is not installed, and we can install this package using this command. So let's copy this and let's stop our server. Let's run this command and let's run our server again. The download completed now. So let's run our server again. We've got another error. Upload to argument must be a relative path. So we need to edit like this. So now there is no error. We've just added our image field. So let's close this and this. And now let's open our admin. Let's refresh this. So we've got a new field for image. So let's change, sorry, no such column. So let's move back. There is an error, no such column property with image. So we need to make migration and migrate because we've changed something in our model. So we're going to say Python manage by make migrations. So that you are trying to add a nullable field image to our property without a default. So we need to add a default, or we can add null. So we can say null equal true. And here, let's execute this command again. So we've got add field image to property, and we need to run Python manage by migrate, yeah, like this. And let's run our server again. Sorry, let's run our server. And let's refresh our page. So there is no error. Let's update this. Let's add an image. So first, so we need to get an image from Google. So here we're gonna say room from 10, something like this, and let's take this image. So let's save this to downloads. And here let's browse. So we're gonna see this image. Let's hit open and let's hit save. So we've just added our image. So here, if we take a look at our project, we can see that this image has been uploaded to the app folder. And this is Django. Django provides you with media and static, which enable you to treat with those images in a good way. So first of all, let's delete this image. And let's add our media and static settings. So let's move down here. So we have static URL equal to static. So we need to add more information about static and the media. So let's get this information from Google or from Django documentation, sorry. So we're going to say Django static files. Let's open this documentation and let's add those information in our project. So first of all, we need to add static dirs on our settings, and let's remove this. And let's move down. If we need to serve those static files in our while development, so we need to add those to our main URL. So let's open main URL and let's import those libraries. And here we need to add this. So in here, I'm gonna say URL patterns plus equal those settings. And I need to remove this like this. And we need to do the same with media. So we will copy this and we will add it. Yeah, just like this. So one line for static files and one for media. We use static files to enable the site to treat with CSS, JavaScript, and so on. And the media for treating with uploaded files like images, videos, and so on. So here, let's move down. There is nothing else we can add. So here, we've just added the configuration for static. We need to apply the media in our Django admin Django settings. So we're gonna say media URL equal to, and we're gonna say media, just like static, okay? And we need to add a static media root actually. So we're gonna say media underscore root equal to, and we're gonna say os.path.join, and we need to show in the base directory. This is a variable in here, this the base directory, and the media folder. Yeah, like this. And now let's make sure our server is running. Okay, and here let's refresh our page and let's edit this with our image. Let's hit open, then let's hit save. And now let's open our project so we can see that we've got a new folder with the name of media. Let's open it. So we have a property, this the folder name we give to this upload to, and we have our image. So now we've just added the configuration for our static and the media files. We've also enabled the image field for every property. So we will go on, but in the next lecture. See you next lecture.